You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to say this word in English, how to pronounce British English pronunciation, harmony. If you want to learn more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. Ha, ma, ni. Stress on the first syllable, the ha syllable. Now, the American English pronunciation pronounces the R a bit more as harmony. American pronunciation, harmony, or British English, how to pronounce harmony. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.